Hi guys, so are you ready to dive into the rich festive flavors of Goa? Today we are making a classic sweet treat that is the heart of every Goan celebration, the incredible Nevrio. But we are not making just any Nevrio, it's the authentic Moong Dal, known for its melt in your mouth texture and aromatic stuffing. That toasted dal, the sweet coconut, it's pure magic. So now let's begin. So first take 1 kg maida or all-purpose flour. Add some salt to taste, about 2 pinch. Add 3 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter. Then rub in the flour until crumble texture. As you can see that the flour has crumble texture now. Add little water at a time. Keep mixing it until it forms a nice dough. As you can see that the dough has left the sides of the bowl. Then knead the dough for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then cover the dough with a clean towel and rest it for about 30 minutes. Then in a hot pan add 3 cups moong dal and dry roast it until it is nice and golden brown. When ready, leave it aside and cool it down completely. Then in a hot pan, add 1 cup fresh grated coconut and cook it until it is nice and light brown. Then leave this aside and cool it down completely. Then in a hot pan, add 50 grams white sesame seeds and cook it until it gets a nice light brown color. Then leave it aside and cool it down completely. Then in a hot pan, add 1 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter. Add 50 grams golden sultanas and fry it until it is nice and golden brown. Then leave this aside and cool it down completely. Then in a mixer jar, add the cooked moong dal. Make sure that the dal is cooled down completely. Then blend it to a fine powder. So the moong dal powder is ready now. Make sure it is something like this. Then blend the cooked coconut. Blend it to a fine coarse texture. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside to use it later. Then take the powdered dal, add the cooked grated coconut, add the white sesame seeds, 200 grams icing sugar, add the cooked golden sultanas, 1/4 teaspoon green cardamom powder, and then give it a nice mix. Then in a hot pan, add 3 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter. And then add the moong dal filling and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then check on the dough and knead the dough again. Knead it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then take a lime-sized dough ball, roll it nice and round. Then add the moong dal filling in the center and apply some water on the side. And close it as shown. And gently press it down. Then use the fork to gently press the edges. Then use the dough cutter to cut the excess. Now the nevri is ready to fry. Do the same to all the other nevri. Then simply deep fry the nevrios until crispy and golden brown. Make sure that the flame is not too high. As you can see that the nevrio has got a nice golden brown color. When ready, simply remove it in a separate plate. And there you have it guys, our authentic, crispy and sweetly aromatic Goan Moong Dal Nevrio. Just look at that perfect golden color and the rich filling inside. These are a truly taste of Goa, perfect for celebrating any festival or simply enjoying with a cup of evening tea. If you love learning this traditional recipe, please give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.